So guys, today I'm dropping my car off to get tinted. It's one of the first things I always like to do. Not only does it make it look great, but it protects it, gives you some privacy. So here's the car right when it's gonna go in. Definitely needs it. So I'm gonna get the ceramic by Xpel XR. Is what I got in the Accord. And here it is all done. Came out really good. I went with 25% on this rear window right here, and then 35% on all the sides. So it is a lighter shade that I go with, as you can see here. But I like that. I think it looks clean. Not too dark, but definitely cuts the heat inside. So it's 25 on the very rear windshield, and then 35% on all the sides. So that's what I went with here. And that's Xpel XR ceramic. And here it is inside, guys. I'll show you. And it's all about angles. Like, certain times it looks like it's not even tinted, like right here. And then there's other times it looks like it's 5%. Now, it's all black interior, of course, and it's a darker color. What I did like about this, though, is they were able to go underneath the seal for the third brake light here on the top, right here. So it's all tinted, which I like. I hate when they have to cut that out. Some cars, they cut it out because they can't access it. Well, here they were able to pull the seal back and tint underneath it, which I like better. The brake light still comes through, and you don't have that weird untinted part of the glass. So that was something I was glad they were able to do. But again, of course, the front windows look a little bit lighter because the front windshield is not tinted. I was thinking about getting a real light smoke on that. I might later on too. I'll see a lot of you guys do that. Looks really sharp. But here it is inside. So like looking from the inside out, doesn't look like it's tinted. Even outside, it's nice. That's what I like about it. The visibility is good. As good as it can be. But it does cut a lot of the heat. So I would definitely recommend going ceramic if you guys are going to get tinted. Pay the extra money and get that done. Makes a big difference in heat rejection. Lifetime warranty with the Xpel. It's a great brand. There's a lot of great brands out there too. It's mainly about how you install it. But yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys want to see what 35% looks like on all the sides, that's what it looks like. To me, it's a perfect middle ground. A lot of you guys go dark. That's good too. It's whatever you guys' preference is, really. But definitely, I like getting tinted. It definitely finishes the car up. And like I said, it gives you some privacy inside too. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Leave comments down below what you guys got in your car and why. And any problems you guys have encountered or anything like that. I'd like to hear it. So I hope everyone's staying safe out there. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. I appreciate that. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. I appreciate it, everybody.